So we have a little bit of powder coating on the inside of the Zerk fitting around the edges. So Rob's going to try to ream a little bit off so we can properly insert the Zerk fitting.
Gently tap it in. It's like I'll have to remove more powder coating. We'll go to the next larger bit. Still needs more.
As you notice, Rob is being very careful, trying slightly larger at a time, so as to not go too large.
Go too large, then the Zerk fitting will fall out.
That's no good.
The shavings out. Shavings are bad. Okay. There we go.